What's up, you guys? I forgot to film an intro for this video, so I'm going to film the intro now. If you learned anything inside this video, please give me a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. Subscribe to the channel. I plan on making a lot more videos for 2020. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching, and back to the video. Okay, what's going on, traders? I just want to show you guys a current trade that I have open at the moment. It's currently 4:45 a.m., which means London session just opened about an hour and a half ago, or an hour 45, I should say. The current pair that I'm in is GBPCHF. I entered this pair a couple hours ago. I'd say I opened it right before London session opened because I just wanted to make sure I was locked in on the position before the trade took off. So just to show you guys real quick, it's GBPCHF buy 1.0. So for this trade, I'm making about $350 at the moment. The pair is currently going up and down. It's about 350 to 400. And I just want to show you guys what exactly I'm seeing for this trade. Okay, so the trade just jumped down about $20. I just want to show you guys what's going on in this pair. So I already have the chart on the screen. It's GBPCHF on the 4-hour time frame. So what I was seeing for this trade is we currently retested level 1. From level 1, we broke out into level 2. Now you can see for level 2, we're currently following a support and resistance inside the market. Also, I'm going to start recording just so you guys can see what's going on with the pair. I'm going to put it on the screen as well at the top right, just so you guys can follow along. So yeah, GBPCHF 4-hour time frame. We just broke from level 1 into level 2. Market is currently inside of a support and resistance zone. I got that identified with these two black lines right over here. From that support and resistance, market recently broke, or not recently broke, but it's currently on an active downtrend in the market. So what I'm anticipating for this pair, you can see I also have an uptrend, a smaller uptrend inside of my support and resistance zone. So this is the overall trend. I do believe the overall trend is a downtrend, and you can see the active trend is currently an uptrend. So I was entering the trade based off the active trend and at the fact that it just retested support, meaning it's going to push towards resistance. From resistance, make a decision to go on a bullish or bearish movement in the market. So you can see if I go down to the 4-hour, I'll go down, or sorry, the 1 hour, we have a clear indecision. Once I saw that indecision candle, I entered the trade. From that trade, we have two vectors from London session opening shooting out to our resistance. So right now I'm looking to close the trade. Reason I want to close the trade is because I do have a very unique stop loss and take profit. I don't want to risk any capital in this trade. I just want to get in, get out, secure my profit, and then come back tomorrow to see what's going on. So you can see in the 1 hour, there's a lot of consolidation. That consolidation told me that, market's picking up orders. Once the market picks up the orders it needs, it'll take off in a direction. Because it's consolidating near that trend line, I knew that it was going to hit the trend line again, and from that trend line retest, it'll close an indecision, a doji, a hammer, whatever I need to enter the trade. Once I see that candlestick, enter on my position, right? So that's what I did. I waited for that candlestick. Once I saw it, entered my position, and then it took off, right? So that's why I'm currently making, it's kind of going down right now. That's why I want to close it quick. I'm currently around 313, 12, 11. You can see I have the screen recording up there, and I want to close it before it hits below 300. But yeah, just to run down my take profit and my stop, you can see I have a horizontal ray right here, which is this little light blue line. The reason I put that light blue line there is because I want to make sure that if the market did come back down towards my support, it's most likely going to retest the wicks of the candles, right? And that's very important. You always want to understand the potential risk when you're entering a trade. So I was aware that, yes, the market might retest that support, but it also might break through that support just to retest that wick of the candle. Once it retests the wick, it'll shoot up, which is why my stop loss is 5 pips away from this blue line, right? So I wanted to make sure I'm account for anything that could potentially happen, right? I didn't want to just enter the trade, enter my stop at a random, support or, 3 to 1, whatever. I wanted to make sure that I'm measuring the wicks of the candles and that I'm ready for any possible retracement to the support. So you can see it literally went back up. Now it's at 353. This trade is kind of going crazy. And then just to show you guys that it is a live account, you can see, and I'm going to go back to trade, 385. It's going up a bit. I do believe it's very strong. It might hit my take profit, but for the sake of this video, I want to secure my profit now just so you guys can see what's going on and how I kind of analyze this trade. And right after this, I had a coffee. It might not go to bed, but it's okay. I'm going to be up again tomorrow analyzing the same trade. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to close with profit. You can see my stop, my take profit, everything the same. Close with profit, boom. And that's the trade, you guys. Now you can see I'm at 18,500, right? This is a live account. I did start trading this account with 10K, and I'm looking to withdraw at 20K. So hopefully I can hit 20K this week or next week. Stay tuned for a potential 20K withdrawal video. From that 20K, I'm probably only going to withdraw 10K just because I like to have minimum 10K in my account. The more capital you have, the more you can trade with. Don't expect to get rich off a $100 account. And yeah, that's basically everything. Thank you for watching. If you learned something from this video or enjoyed watching it, please give me a thumbs up. It helps out a lot. And I'm Carlos, and I'm out. Peace.